bad. And for some of the young people, they spoil up the music to them and now over the clothes. This is what we're talking about. This is what we need to get back into the music business. Get back into the type of music that make a brother want to dance with a woman and not women stand up on one side and a bunch of action up on the other side. This is the kind of song we're talking about that we need to get the music business back on the right track because these are the brothers and sisters that started it all and make it all possible. You want to say something, Sully? Man, God, I remember when me, Moses, I Sully, Moses, I can. Hard days gone, I remember. When we go to dance and 7 p.m. a man go to church and go sleep. And a serve me a cup of tea. And you don't need to dance. No, no, but you never stop. And you walk away and smile. And he give you a good smile too. And you go to another person.